I've always had a lot of hobbies and personal interests since I was young. However, the one that I enjoyed the most was cooking. And because of that, now I can say that I can cook for my family and make a dish that they can all enjoy. I'm proud of this because it feels like I'm giving back after everything they've done for me. Some accomplishments that I've made throughout my high school career would be getting my surf certification on my first try, and I'm very proud of myself because not everybody can do that, so that says a lot about me. What I hope to learn. I believe that this class is a good class to take because it's very resourceful and useful for incoming students or people who need to better their skills. Some skills that I hope to better for myself are my leadership skills, my reliability, as well as communication. Online learning was a very scary thing for me because of the fact that I would always be very unsuccessful in any online courses that I would take. So I decided to take it upon myself and challenge myself this semester in taking all online classes. Needless to say, I'm doing very well in all of them,